Josie, Jonard, Jopay, Jomar, paabot nga ng star. Yung tape nga. Bigyan mo na yan. Johnny,
Jopay po.
Jonard, Jopay.
Ma, sino po ba talaga?
Lahat kayo. Tara, kain tayo sa labas. Jonard, Jobel.
Ma, wala kami kapatid na Joel.
Jay?
Ha?
Tawag mo na girlfriend mo?
Pare, kain na!
Trish? Hanggang ngayon pa ba? Pare pa rin ang tawag niyo sa'yo? Tita, mahirap nang baguhin yon, pero may iba namang nagbago eh.
Pare.
Sunsilk with natural nutrients. With every wash, hair gets better as things get better. And better for you.
Pare, kanin?
Sunsilk, paganda ng pagandang pagbabago from Unilever.
Alam nyo, may dalawang klase pala ng feminine wash. Sabi ni Doc, may gamot, may di gamot. Kung walang sakit, hindi ko kailangan ng gamot araw-araw. Kaya I switched to new pH Care Feminine Wash. With the right pH level of 5, tamang-tama ang pH Care for daily use. Kaya sa pH Care, no need to worry. O dapat extra care, ha? Kasi may partner na tayo. Kaya pH Care every day.
I want somebody who knows my language.
Then do the buddy language. Introducing the new Smart Buddy. Buddy language. Get amazing treats only from the new Smart Buddy. Buddy language.
It allows my favorite stars to text me straight from their cell phones.
Buddy language. Buddy language.
I can download Smart's latest ringtones
And logos every week.
Buddy language. And with the new Smart Buddy, the fun never stops.
Okay ang signal.
Buddy language.
Pare, wala na akong load.
Stay connected for only 30 pesos. Also get the latest phones at the best deals. With the most powerful SIM from Smart, save more of your friends' numbers and text messages. Amazing treats you can't get anywhere else, so do the buddy language with the new Smart Buddy. The language of everybody. The new Smart Buddy. Our world, our language.
New Tide Sachet. Dagdag 60% powder. Mas marami kang malalabhan.
Thank you po. Nakagraduate na si Manuel ko. Salamat. Nakasahod na ako sa paluwagan. Thank you rin po na umukay na ang asthma na mister ko. At thank you po na kahit papano, nakakaluwag-luwag na kami sa araw-araw. Amen. O anak, Jollibee na tayo.
Thank you po.
In a city where chaos rules, only one man can save humanity from total destruction. It's up to Homer Simpson and family to save the world from a diabolical plot as they run and drive to unravel the conspiracy.
Blackfinch!
Critics call it the best Simpsons game ever.
Get the lot, dude.
The Simpsons Hit and Run, rated T for teen.
I am evil Homer.
Soft white skin. Salamat sa Skin White Whitening Lotion. Whiten skin in 3 weeks. It's number 1. Number 1? 3 weeks pa? Meron ng mas magaling dyan.
New and improved Skin White Whitening Lotion. Now with Renew White 3C and SPF 5. Renews, whitens, and protects skin from the sun in as early as 2 weeks.
Whiter, softer, faster.
From the skin whitening expert, Defy Color.
Dairy Cream Light. So tasty, you won't think it's light. The fitting choice.
Magsabi ka ng totoo! Ano ka ba talaga?
Manok.
Ha? Manok? Sinong niloko mo?
Totoo! Manok ako! Manok?
Oh, palaki ito! Para lumabas ang totoong lasa ng pagkain, magminola. Totoong puro. Totoong high quality. Sa unang gamit pa lang, labas agad ang sarap at lasa ng lutuin. Buti na lang may dala akong pork chop. Pork chop? Eh, galunggong to eh.
Minola sa totoo lang. It's Santa.
Kami naglalakbay para malaman ang sikreto ng idol namin.
Ayun, no?
Sobra usok. Hi guys!
Tito Dolphy! Ano pong sekreto niyo sa buhay?
Doon ako lagi sa mga pagkakatiwalaan. Kayo, naka-token text po kami. Dapat maaasahan. Siyempre, kasi nationwide! Connect ka pa sa napakaraming friends! Kailangan huli ang hilig nyo. Kuwang-kuha ang services na trip namin! Magaling, maaasahan, malapit sa kaibigan. Powered by Smart.
Kaya Tito Dolphy!
Dapat token text. Yan ang galing.
Not overspending!
Kaya kayo dyan, huwag na kung saan-saan pa. Mag-token text na.
ABS-CBN, 50 taon nang naglilingkod sa sambayanang Pilipino.